The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Jersey City, New Jersey, AJ Lee!
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse? The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
Determination in her eyes. She is more than ready for competition.
And her partner from Houston, Texas,
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start. This is going to be good.
A major match ahead of her. She plans on proving exactly why she's worthy of big matches like these.
And from New York, the Enforcer!
Some would say this superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice. She knows she deserves to be atop this division, and a win tonight will go a long way towards that.
And from New York, the Total Package, Kimberly Hart.
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
A determined look on her face. She knows how to prove herself in the women's division.
Here we go, tornado tag team match where no tags will be needed.
The question will be, what team is going to thrive in this environment? You'll be surprised how much chemistry can change when you don't need to hold the tag rope all match. Having a weakened arm can limit you in so many ways, making it harder to execute on him.
Oh boy, here it comes. Will she get...
No, she breaks it. Big escape there. And that was a well-executed attack.
Ouch.
She thinks she has it. Surprisingly quick kick out.
Just just looking for ways to wear out her opponent.
Belly to back suplex. No! Kick. This could be it. Cover. She powers out immediately there.
Clearly, she's still got a lot of fight left in her.
Headlock. Lands the elbow. Oh, nice belly to back.
That could be a game changer. She's getting back to her feet, but is there fight left?
Oh, suicide. Oh, God. That's a bad landing. Just breaking down the opponent. Ooh, series of boots.
Practically never-ending blows coming at full force here. Oh, my gosh. Terminating knee smash.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. She's beginning to flag a little. Perched up top. A diving knee drop. Her shoulders are down. Manages to escape before the 3 count.
That was a long 2 count there.
Dodges. Oh, man. Ooh, clothesline delivered.
Counters. This could be an opportunity. Mounted palm strikes.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
No! Just endless knee strikes.
Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well.
Up high and seated bionic elbow. And she's stunned in the corner. Look at this, going right after the left arm. Uh-oh.
Clearing the table.
Yeah, gotta take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end, finishing this thing off by any means necessary.
She's pumping herself up, reaching out for that burst of energy.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
Oh, man. Stopping their opponent. And the Kinshasa. Oh, man.
Warm up the buses. This one's over. There's 2. Kick out. Thought that was the end of her.
I do not know how they got up from that.
Operating on pure instinct and adrenaline. Is there still enough left to try that maneuver again? Or is her confidence shaken? This one is headed outside, guys. And now she delivers her back into the ring. She's starting to tire a little. Just mounted with punches and not, oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. Boom, head first. She re-enters the ring now. A neck breaker. Cinches up the arm in a series of boots. Blow to the breadbasket. And now she retreats.
And quickly she has to take this moment to pull herself together.
Uh-oh. Impressive reversal there.
Bang! Vicious boot.
With no countouts, there's nothing keeping her inside the ring. Big clothesline.
Mounting it down to opponent, and look at them go. Over and over and over again. And a slap for the exclamation point.
She's starting to look concerned.
Driven down face first.
Uh-oh. Enabled to counter. Setting up for something here.
Delivering a Falcon Arrow.
Hoisted up. Here we go. Nobody does it better. She gets the shoulder up.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
These competitors have been going shoulders down.
And still in this. What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea. Oh, what a right hand! first.
Climbs back inside. Reversal. Can she capital? Up into the torture rack. Oh!
Shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
Oh, and she picked up a monumental win.
Here are your winners.
Two great superstars that go great together, and that win is proof.
These women absolutely earned this one, showing an impressive level of tag team expertise.